the CSA intern at Pitney Meadows Community Farm, and today I'm going to be talking about lunchbox peppers. In the greenhouses, we have sweet pepper varieties. When you're looking to harvest, there's going to be a bunch of color variety. When they're green, they are not ripe or ready to pick, though they are edible, and if you want a green pepper for cooking, they will definitely work. Not great for snacking. Then we have a slightly color change, and then when it's fully orange, that's when the pepper is fully ripe. Though if you pick at this stage, the pepper will continue to ripen off the plant. So to harvest, you simply can use scissors and snip, or you can grab the pepper, hold the plant gently, and pull up. And when you're looking for peppers, it's good to look at the base of the plant and towards the bottom, as they kind of hide, and you might need to move the plant around to find your pepper. For storage, you can treat them just like any bell pepper, put them in your crisper drawer in the fridge, and they'll last a few days. These are great for snacking. As school's about to start, they're a great lunchbox addition. Simply dipping them in some crowdy, dipping them in any dip will be delicious, or simply just sauteing with them as you would a bell pepper. Hope you enjoy. Thanks.